Developers relying on cloud-based AI coding assistants are burning through API credits faster than ever. Every prompt, every context window, and every iteration adds up, creating a constant financial drain for heavy users. On top of the cost, there is the privacy concern. Sending proprietary enterprise codebases to external servers introduces unnecessary security vulnerabilities and compliance issues. The solution is to cut the cloud connection entirely. We can force the official Claude Code command line interface to run completely on your local hardware. This terminal screen shows the official agent operating successfully using an open source model. We bypass the cloud completely while keeping the core interface intact. Look at the URL paths on this screen. On the left is the standard Anthropic API route, and on the right is the localized server path. We are simply redirecting the traffic from their servers to yours. To follow along, you only need two pieces of software installed, the Claude Code CLI and the Ollama local server environment. Mastering this local API routing guarantees you will incur zero API costs, and it ensures your codebase never leaves your machine. This terminal window shows the first step. Type Ollama serve to initialize the local server, and you'll see it listening on the local host address. Keep this tab open. The server runs headlessly in the background. Closing it kills the connection. Open a second tab. This progress bar appears when you run your preferred open source model, pulling the necessary model weights directly to your machine. This chart breaks down the hardware limits. The amount of system VRAM you have directly determines the maximum context window size the model can handle without crashing. Checking the activity monitor, this GPU utilization spike confirms the system is successfully offloading processing to hardware accelerators for much faster generation. Your host machine is now functioning as a fully independent AI server, standing by to intercept incoming software requests. Step 2 requires setting an environment variable. Think of this as a temporary rule that overrides default software behavior for the duration of your current terminal session. This command line shows the core workaround. By exporting the Anthropic base URL variable to your local host address, you are pointing the CLI directly at your own machine instead of the cloud. You also need to export a dummy API key, shown here as Ollama. The local server ignores this completely, but the Claude CLI has internal validation checks that require a key to be present before it will launch. This startup banner appears when you launch the Claude agent inside the exact same terminal tab. Launching it here ensures the environment variables we just set are actively applied. Inside the interface, this drop-down menu allows you to select the local model you downloaded earlier, replacing Anthropic's default options. The official software is operating normally, completely unaware that it has been decoupled from the cloud and redirected to your local hardware. Now submit a standard coding task to verify the local connection is functioning. Because the processing is happening locally, your first token generation speed and latency will depend strictly on your own hardware, rather than network traffic on a distant server. This terminal output confirms the connection is active. The interface successfully generated the requested Python code block without reaching out to the internet. You will notice billing text hard-coded at the bottom of the UI. Ignore it. It is a static artifact of the software interface. Because we manually routed all traffic to your local server, your actual Anthropic account incurs exactly 0 charges for the code that was just written. This routing technique extends beyond basic text generation. It gives you direct access to a massive ecosystem of specialized, community-trained models. This terminal command demonstrates running a multimodal vision model locally, allowing you to pass an image path and analyze files directly from your hard drive. Using this Docker command with the GPU flag, you can containerize the Ollama setup to build secure, custom microservices isolated from the rest of your system. This chart compares the broader AI ecosystem. Ollama is highly optimized for the CLI workflows we just covered, while tools like LM Studio offer better solutions if you prefer graphical interfaces. By controlling API routing, you transform a standard workstation into a private, cost-free AI development environment.